multiply 2x plus 3y and 4x minus 5y. So this expression has two terms. It's a binomial. This expression also has two terms. This is a binomial. So we need to find the product of two binomials. We need to find the product of two binomials. This is a binomial. This is also a binomial. So we need to find the product of these two binomials. So see the first step. Write out the first expression. Write out the second expression. Since we need to multiply these two, you can see that we have not connected them by a plus or minus sign. Multiplication means there is no sign between the two brackets. You can see it here. That indicates multiplication. You can also show the multiplication sign. When you don't see any sign, it means it's multiplication. If we had to add or subtract, we would have connected these two brackets with a plus or a minus sign accordingly. But since we need to multiply these two, you can see the first expression here, second expression here. There is no sign connecting the two brackets, which means they have to be multiplied. Now, how do we multiply this? The first term has to be multiplied with the second bracket. So, how do we present that? See here, 2x, the first term in this first bracket has to be multiplied with all the terms in the second bracket. So, write out 2x multiplied with 4x minus 5y. Next, the second term in the first bracket has to be multiplied with all the terms in the second bracket. So, we write it as plus 3y multiplied by 4x minus 5y. We'll see this again. 2x into 4x minus 5y plus 3y. If this was minus, so then we'll write minus 3y. This is plus 3y. So, plus 3y into 4x minus 5y. So, now here we need to multiply 2x with 4x and 2x with minus 5y in order to open this bracket or remove this bracket. Alright. So, now 2x has a plus sign before it. 4x also has a plus sign before it. Within the bracket, inside the bracket, 4x, we don't see any sign there, which means it's plus 4x. So, this term carries a plus sign. This term also carries a plus sign. So, when you're multiplying two terms, we need to first multiply their signs. So, plus into plus is plus. You don't have to write it. Now, multiply the numbers. 2 4s are 8. Next, multiply the literal factors. X into x, x square. So, 8x square is the product of 2x and 4x. Next, we need to multiply plus 2x and minus 5y. So, let's multiply the numbers first. Plus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. X into y is xy. Now, here we need to multiply plus 3y with 4x plus 4x. So, plus 3 into plus 4 is plus 12. Y into x is yx or xy. Y into x is yx or xy. Both are the same. Next, we need to multiply plus 3y with minus 5y. So, plus 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. Y into y is y square. Y to the power 1 into y to the power 1 is y to the power 1 plus 1, which is y to the power 2. So, here we have opened the brackets by multiplying. Now, in this step, it's no longer multiplication. We need to identify the like terms and add or subtract them according to the rule. So, we have only one x square term, so it comes as it is. We have only one y square term, that also comes down as it is. We have two xy terms. See, we have two xy terms. They are like terms, and we know that only like terms can be added or subtracted. So, these two are xy terms. Xy as it is. Simplify their numerical coefficients. Minus 10 plus 12. Different signs. They have different signs. Minus 10 plus 12. They have different signs. So, So what do we do? We have to subtract. So what is the difference? What is the difference between 12 and 10? 2. And then we need to put the sign of the greater number, which is plus. 12 is a greater number. It carries a plus sign. So plus 2. Minus 10 plus 12 is plus 2 xy. So this is the final answer. 8x square plus 2xy minus 15y square.